Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials: server IP, admin credentials, and a brief rollback plan. This prevents surprises. Next, log into the Firewall console via SSH or serial and check firmware and model so commands match. Once done, pull your network diagram and identify VLAN, subnet masks, and gateway addresses to map rules. Make sure a maintenance window is set and stakeholders informed. These first actions keep the work safe and reversible while you prepare to plug the firewall into the network path. Now configure the firewall interfaces. Assign the correct IP and VLAN tag that matches the server subnet so packets reach each other. Then add a static route or enable a routing protocol if you use dynamic routes, ensuring the firewall knows how to reach server networks. Once routes exist, create security zones and bind interfaces to those zones to control traffic flow. After that, apply minimal allow rules for SSH/HTTP/RDP management so you can test connectivity while keeping other ports closed for safety. Finish by writing precise policy rules that permit only the server ports you need. Use logging and least privilege so you can audit access. If the server sits on a private address, configure source or destination NAT to translate between public and private addresses. Test NAT mappings carefully. Next, verify connectivity with ping, traceroute, and application tests while watching firewall logs. If something fails, capture packets on the affected interface and compare routes. If needed, revert to the documented rollback plan to minimize downtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.